cool, right?
Just ignore the camera.
That's awesome.
$400 later.
400.
Is it?
It's like a GoPro or something? Yeah, right?
So, you're up first.
Yeah, I guess.
Right. Everyone get their mask on. Chelsea, you want to come up first? Are you? What team are you on? All right, everyone that's on this team, go to this side. Anyone on this team, go this side. We got 1, 2, we have 5 people on this side. That's fine, you can go on this side. What you guys? Do you guys know your teams?
Yes.
All right, get in line so we're evened up here. I don't remember this stuff.
Well, are we doing?
So team scrubs on this side.
Yes.
Team sharps on this side.
Just switch the name.
Just even up for 5 and 5. Okay, kids.
Wow. We'll just be the other one.
It doesn't matter about the names. So here you got 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more person on this side.
Well, wouldn't that be Ricky?
Okay, that's Ricky. Okay. And then who's first? Come up this way. All right, you're very simple directions.
I kind of need him to re-say, like, what's the station?
Right here. Stand right here. Stand right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, like this. Okay.
On that side. 1, 2,
I don't know.
5. All right, you guys can go home now. Okay, great. Good job.
Yeah.
I'm going to be here, okay? I just want everyone to follow directions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so closed glove technique. As soon as you're done doing closed glove technique, I want you to just jump right in here and do a count as loud as you can, starting from the stringer, the forceps, and the retractor, the proper names. I can hear you, okay? So just don't worry, I'm not going to be with you hovering around. As soon as you get through the proper names, at least you think they are, move to here. I'm going to be over here. You're going to pass a suture. There's 5 of them, so don't only use one. So grab us, Ricky. only one. Load it up properly. Pass it to me properly. I'm going to give it back to you. You drop the needle. You load it up again. You'll do it 3 times. And when you're done, the next person can get up here, gown, count, suture. Does that make sense? And it really is a competition who can get to the end fastest. It's okay. It's too late. You sabotage Ricky's team.
That's crazy.
All right. We're going to pivot and move here. So just be aware the stringer's not on here. So keep it organized, Ricky, okay?
Sorry,
Okay, get this back
I'll try. I'm a very disorganized person, so it's over with. No, I'm messy.
All right. Does everyone know how to count?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
1, 2. What are your questions? Is anyone in the back? If anyone faints in the back, let me know so I can call 911.
Wait, I have a question. Those are 2 different instrument amounts.
What's your point now?
That's not fair.
Life's not fair, Izzy. Okay?
Okay, well, let's be for real.
I am being for real.
For instrument trays.
All right.
You're
The
fine.
point
You're
is not
gonna
really
be-
about the differential. I'm working on basic. Go with it.
Oh.
All right. Don't go and say, hey, doesn't sound right, Brad.
Or
You're
two.
cheating.
That's better.
All right. So I want you to do it properly. Open your gown up. And if you contaminate, if I call you contaminate, you need to grab another gown. The trash is right there, my dear. All right. Just want to make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm putting the garbage.
I don't like this. Too much of an audience, man. Jeez. I'm telling you, my gloving's gonna be so bad.
Well, that's a great start, huh?
I guess.
All right. So on the count of 3, does anyone have any questions?
Oh, wait.
Are we closing like the second person? Time
Was there a question? What happened?
Oh, to tie us.
to tie them up.
I'll take care of that. Yeah. So I just want you to be ready when he does his 3rd suture pass and I say he's done. You get over here and open up. Okay. Just remember, it's better to be accurate than fast.
Yeah.
Because if you think you're gonna get through it fast and I say you're contaminated, I will just say you're disqualified. You get in the back of the line.
That makes you feel better. That makes you feel
Yes,
better.
Izzy.
Slow down a little bit.
Hold on, make sure I film this so it's at least I have record.
Oh, man.
Does everyone understand? Looks good. On the count of 3, are you ready?
Yeah.
No.
This is a relay race for basic skills. Make sure you do it right. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, my God. I can't even open the pack.
Patient's coming down with a subdural hematoma. We need to get this case set up. This is a relay race.
Oh.
Disqualify, get another glove. Both of you, disqualify, get another glove. Grab another glove. Go get
Yes,
another
sir.
glove.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hurry. So here's the road. Yeah, have 2 gloves.
Yes, yes. No, this is not the size. It's trying. Excuse me. Sorry.
Be careful not to walk through. You walk really
Yeah.
close. Okay?
12 inches. Yes, sir.
Almost 3 in the back of the line. All right, good. Alright, you're good.
Are we following?
Just pretend.
Oh no, not opening.
Don't lose it on me, Ricky, now, okay? Start calling you Ricky Bobby. Good, don't wait on me.
Oh my god. This is terrible.
Walk up to the table here.
Oh,
Yep. Start your count whenever you're ready. Start with the stringer, forceps, retractors. Go. Just okay.
1, 2, 3.
Tell me the names.
First.
Tell me the names of them. What are these called? All right, go.
1, 2, 3, 4 perforating palisates. Non-perforating palisates. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh man, this is so bad. I did it backwards.
4 curtains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. Straight kelly. 1, 2. And then perforate again. 1, 2. So 4 puffers, 2 straight kelly.
Let's get into it, Brad.
Just go into it.
All right.
Out loud so I can hear you.
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4 perforating tower clips. 1, 2 non-perforating tower clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 curved kellies. 1, 2
Forceps.
Coker. 1, 2 Alice. Oh man, this is bad. 2 Alice. 1, 2 Babcock. 1, 2 right angle. 1, 2 ring forceps. 1, 2, 3 med needle holders. Oh, 4 needle holders. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4 med needle holders. 1, 2 medicine bombs and 1 Mayo scissors. 2 beaver handles
Retractors.
or 2 blade handles. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4 double-ended Richardsons.
1, 2, 40, 1.
Ooh, what is that?
1, 2,
Goulet.
1, 2.
The goulet.
Goulet? Oh, it's been a while. 1, 2 Goulet. You said Goulet?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. 1, 2 Army Navy.
Lotus suture.
1 beaver.
Properly.
1 ribbon or malleable. 1, 2 rakes. Oh, I definitely didn't do my pickups first. 1, 2 brown Adson.
Good. So hold your hand out like that. Okay.
Tissue forceps.
Hold it up again.
1 Russian. 1, 2 Adson with teeth. 1, 2 rat tubes. And it doesn't look like I have a
Okay. No music. All right, good. So take this. Next up, go. Put that in the sharp. That's wrong. Yep, here. Okay. I'm going to show you this. Just hold your hand. I want to hear this. Just a little kind of like, okay. Making sure this is face on my chest. This is. Okay. Sure. Not you, Chelsea. He's not done yet, so sorry. It's cheating.
chest.
Okay. One more time.
Yep.
So when you're
More.
so hold this here. So there's so you have tension on it.
Oh, okay.
Not like this. I don't know what you're doing. So you're just like this. Right. All right. So load that up.
So kind of tension you said, right? Or do I go with?
Right, so good. So you have this full of tension on. Hold it.
Yes, sir.
Right. Get that in my hand. Perfect. So
All right.
you like this. Okay. Good. Next, you can go, Chelsea. Take this in the sharps box for me. You can break if you want.
Sharps box, right?
Sharps box.
Yes, sir. Where is it? Oh, I had trouble with one glove, and it just like threw me off so bad. And then that tray is bad.
Yeah,
What is that tray?
Tray 3.
Oh my gosh. No, you're good.
Tray 3. That's tray 3.
It's good because there's a little bit, but it's so all fucked up.
Oh, like it's not
Oh,
in
sorry. I forgot I was my I was like, sorry, Brad.
Just say it as loud as you can.
He didn't tell me.
Hey, Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Give someone else the mic.
I'm gonna pass the mic. Who was the mic? This mic.
You want it?
No.
You gotta talk.
Yeah.
But I cuss a lot.
That's perfect. 2 Mayos, 1, 2, 1, 2, handle.
Forceps. You spin. Say the forceps and retractors loud.
2 debate. 1 active teeth, and another active teeth. Alright. Perforating topics. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 non-perforating topics. 1, 2. 1, 2 active with curve carries. 1, 2, have
Three,
1, 2, 3,
four,
4 double-ended Richardson.
5, 6.
We have 1,
Holders, 2.
1 pool section. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Allison's 1.
1,
2.
2 sends and 1,
Babcock's 1, 2.
Are you done? Come.
Right angles.
Load a
1.
suture up.
Mixtures 1, 2.
You don't have to take that off.
Ring forceps 1, 2. Med needle holders 1, 2, 3, 4. Medicine ball
Okay, good.
1,
So I want you to have this little slap action
2.
like that. So not all complete. Just make sure we're there. Okay. So load it up quick. Forceps. Nope. Same one.
Oh, the same one.
Brown Addison 1, 2.
Good. One more time. Finish. You're tripping?